Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how carbon fiber for million-dollar supercars is made. Step.
The oxidation stage transforms the raw graphite into stable carbon filaments. This process is essential for achieving high strength.
We have a spike in the uniformity metrics.
I see it. Adjusting the tension parameters now.
Every layer is precisely laid to maximize strength while minimizing weight.
Every carbon structure is thoroughly inspected before shipping to supercar manufacturers.
And that's how carbon fiber supercar bodies are made. I'm Roshalander, from graphite to perfection.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.